This video is created to show you the fantastic range of how you can wear white jeans, whether casually or business casual. I will convince you through these 8 looks that white jeans will be your best performer from spring through autumn. And they are not only incredibly stylish, but they also add enormous versatility to any gentleman's wardrobe. What's important for me to convey? Instead of getting white or very light cream tailored trousers, wool, linen, etc., which are mostly very expensive, let's be honest. White jeans might not have the drape of tailored trousers, but they absolutely can play in the same league of style. The massive advantage is this: you can wash them at home, in your washing machine, and even use a bleach for stubborn stains. And we all know white clothes get stained all the time. So without further ado, let me show you the outfits. The first look is the easiest and perhaps my all-time favorite. Just pair your white jeans with any blue shirt and throw on a navy blazer. Pairing casual pieces with a structured navy jacket feels so natural and stylish. I believe it shows that white jeans can be dressed up rather than dressing down the jacket. Here I wear the white jeans with a bangle striped cotton linen blend shirt and a chambray shirt. Both shirts have texture and add that blue theme to the outfit. Every man should have classic pieces in blue in their wardrobe, and white definitely pairs beautifully with them. Versatility is queen, the motto of thoughtful style. You can pair it with a brown belt and choose brown leather shoes to complete the look. What I like to do is to wear a handkerchief around my neck to add more playfulness when I don't wear a tie, but it's never a must. Last but not least, you could also swap the navy for a light blue jacket to reduce the contrast. This one is a summer corduroy jacket, styled with a greyish pocket square here. Dark mother of pearl buttons add charm and dressiness. Here we swapped the navy blazers for a tan sports jacket. We kept the blue shirt. The white trousers function as the neutral, letting the warm tan and cold blue play with each other. This look is finished with a patterned pocket square which picks up on both tones. The jacket I'm using here is a Sartorial jacket, by the way, showing that even suit jackets can be broken up for casual looks. I love it, because it's not only stylish, but also maximizing the wearability of my tailored pieces. If you want to keep it even less structured, swap the sports jacket for a light brown suede jacket. It's the most stylish version of casual. I just love it, and it proves the comedian-like feature of white jeans we will explore even further in a moment. For the next look, let's stick with a blue shirt. Yes, blue shirts are just so versatile and you must have them in your wardrobe. We throw on a light grey or off-white jacket. This one is 88% wool and 12% linen. We might assume light on light is a bit too light, but it actually looks very sharp, especially on warmer days in spring and summer. The jacket is slightly darker in tone than pure white and offers a balanced contrast. To increase that contrast further, you might consider adding a dark-colored pocket square and brown shoes. Now let's keep a light grey jacket but swap the blue shirt for a black polo shirt. Black and white is a very bold and strong look, and I think one needs to do this with caution to execute it well. Here the light grey jacket offers that mediator function and balances out that contrast. It's bold, but still stylish. If you want to play it slightly safer, go with a navy polo or a navy shirt, such as this linen shirt. All in all, these looks show that you don't need to fear white jeans. They work with strong contrast, and they have to, as that's their job being white. Speaking of contrast, here I show you how we can add a tie to an outfit with white jeans. I like to pair them with a white pinpoint or linen shirt and a greyish-brown wool linen sports jacket. I picked a blue, almost purple-leaning cotton silk blend tie with patterns and a pocket square leaning into that brown-blue territory. Off-white or cream trousers would have been a beautiful choice here too, but I want to give white jeans some credit. They mastered this level of relaxed formality superbly. Is it a business look? No. But is it a relaxed, elegant and sharp look? Absolutely yes. If you know thoughtful style, you will know that this kind of look exemplifies that style is more than just uniforms. It's more about genuine style while still following frameworks. This look has to be one of my favorites from this list. For the next outfit, let's try the other side of formality. We have a blue shirt with a zip sweater in grey. This outfit stands as is, but could be slightly refined with a colored neckerchief as this one in yellow, to add a bit more refinement, if you consider casual too boring. If you're feeling a little cold, throw on a navy vest and you're good to go. This is casual while still looking good and intentional. This outfit is for those of us who love real playfulness and want to express that with clothes. Here we paired the jeans with a light purple and pink shirt, plus a light grey sports jacket. Pink and light purple shirts are absolutely underrated for smart casual looks. Gentlemen who pull this off exude confidence and a strong sense for personal style. It has that Miami Vice appeal to it, which I believe still is valid in current times. It's a great look and I love it for spring and summer especially. Last but not least, I paired the jeans with my Bengal striped cotton linen blend shirt and a pistachio green suit jacket. Perhaps some of you will remember that I talked about this suit before. It was one of my first commissioned suits that I chose for its color. However, the fabric was a very smooth twill that I didn't consider at that time. Very casual in color but quite formal in terms of texture and sheen. However, if you consider your suit formal, I would still suggest to try a jacket you're not quite sure how to wear it as a separate with casual pieces. This look proves that a suit can be separated if you know how. Green, blue and white look beautiful together, and the single-breasted jacket worn as a separate feels natural and goes into that Italian elegance of separating pieces skillfully. This is a spring and summer look where white jeans perform best. I hope you could see the versatility of white jeans and how they can support your style with incredible variability. Honestly, in terms of style, I prefer them over classic indigo jeans. Whether it's casual, smart casual or business casual, white jeans absolutely deserve to be worn.